There's no ghost in the back.
Somebody flying in the back.
Man is coming out good. Man is coming out good.
Woo! Look at this.
Woo!
Somebody come and look at this.
Ooh, oh my God.
Hi guys, welcome back to Closkitchen. Today we will be making our gingerbread houses made from scratch. First of all, we made the house yesterday, I believe. We were able to make 2 houses. We followed the recipe by Sally's.
By Tasty.
Oh, sorry guys, by Tasty. Oh, it smells so strong. The ginger. I smell ginger.
Boy, if you don't...
Oh, it's gingerbread house. For the decorations, we have some Jolly Ranchers, some dots. What else we have? Some M&M, some Gold Bears, some Skittles, some Nerds. We got it all, y'all. My favorite, Sour Patch, Peppermint, and some Holiday Pretzels. Ooh, shady.
I'll take the dirt.
Y'all see what she did? And it's hard as a rock. So this is the back, the front with a little door frame. Shoot, I don't even know. These are the sides. We printed these, which is the pattern for it. So we made the icing earlier and just put it in a Ziploc bag.
Hey, your stuff is flying over to my yard.
You ain't got no yard.
Oh, I know what I'm about to do. Don't worry about what I'm doing.
See how rude she is, y'all?
Don't look over here.
Give me the broken one.
You the main one that said you want a big house. So there you have it. Oh shit. Make sure yours is closed.
I just did.
Thank you. Thank you.
You told me don't come over, they don't look.
You was looking already.
Wait. Oh, I got the wrong end.
This is a hot mess. Don't worry about what I got on, sweetheart. Why she gonna go and copy mine? Don't blow mine down.
Oh, I want to do it like that.
I told y'all she was gonna copy.
That's
They
nasty.
always try to replicate the original.
Now we in business.
I'm
It's
in
coming
the
together,
tiny
yo.
house community.
Girl, please. It's going to be a struggle to put that piece that's broken piece that somebody broke.
Because somebody didn't clip out the window. Alright, so while our neighbors are working on the entire foundation of their house, I'm working on a roof.
I'm about to work on my roof. I don't know what you're talking about.
Or as some of the YouTubers said, they're rough.
Stop making me laugh.
Our neighbors are those builders that be like, I could get your house up in 6 months.
That's you.
Because I actually had a blueprint. You just saw what the other development was doing and copied. Look at that. As soon as they see you do something. And we did mention Tasty, y'all. We didn't follow the icing recipe to a T. We're missing 2 cups. If y'all follow it to a T, y'all might actually end up with better icing.
Woo! Woo!
Ooh, oh my God. No!
This. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
My whole house came apart. Like demolition.
That foundation was weak. It buckled at the knees.
That is not funny.
Buckled at the knees.
You know what? Forget it. Oh, it's stuck.
But I tell y'all, we ain't new to this. We true to this. I don't know what kind of issues they have going on at school. It ain't looking too good. I'm about to call HOA.
You better call HOA.
It's making our whole neighborhood look bad. Keep trying to tell y'all you can't trust them little cheap. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna reinforce everything. Make sure everything is nice and strong. All right, y'all, this house ain't going nowhere.
Round 2, y'all. It's gonna stand this time. Leave my house alone. How we looking, y'all? We holding up.
A hot mess.
I know hot mess. Haters. Y'all seen the beauty in my house, right? Your vision.
Sorry I left y'all to see that mess. Now my house is like slightly on the hills. I'm gonna work on my landscaping. You know, HOA problem.
We live in the country, so we ain't got that problem.
Sorry to hear that.
Ain't nobody got no HOA money.
Our house was passed down by a late grandmother.
She done robbed y'all, making y'all pay the HOA fees.
Don't look over here. You see, she couldn't say nothing because she know it's popping over here.
Goodbye.
She already know what it is. I'm so far.
You can see it.
I got my little walkway going. I got my trees.
Why you all the way over here?
Because I can.
Y'all need to mind y'all.
It's looking alright now. It's giving very much barn vibes.
Nobody asked you.
Look at her trying to look. The girls is looking.
Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Haters.
So who's coming to clean this?
They are.
Don't worry about what I got on, sweetheart.
And a snowman too?
Oh, you recognized it. It actually looks like that.
Yeah. Mine is coming out good. Mine is coming out good.
Hey, you're a little close to my house. She didn't wash it, y'all, so it's probably never gonna be the same.
Listen. So extra. Really? So after we show you all our houses, comment below and tell me whose house is the best.
Be honest, because I know y'all gonna try to be biased and stuff like that.
My audience is not biased.
Trolls, this is your chance.
And we'll be back to show you guys our houses so that you can vote. So this is my house. I'm not gonna lift, let me see. This is my house, I'm scared to lift it. This is our chimney and it's a barn. It used to be an old barn church. Stop!
I didn't even see that.
We have windows on the side, like the church windows, all blue. You gotta move slow, both sides.
I think I got a ghost in the back.
And we have a little bit of grass, like a little, you know, in the front. A little place for the kids to play. You can see there's little kids in the yard right now. And for Christmas, we just put a few Christmas trees. And of course, the church bell at the top. And we got our little chimney going. So this is my house.
We just moved to the tiny house community. We are ex-city dwellers now living in the tiny house community, suburban.
Oh my God.
Tiny house community. It's a little bit of a unexpected dusting of snow that just happened before we actually got to do the tour, so you might want to put on your boots.
Wow.
We decided to pave like a few pathways so that when people come to visit, this is like the model home. We have several of these homes in the area.
Wait, where's the other ones?
Don't worry about that, sweetheart. So you can come and you can tour your house or whatever. So we paved out some nice pathways so that you don't slip and fall. We have a few of our model men having fun in the snow. We have some kids, you know, people are on the tour right now, so we have some of the kids that are out here playing in the snow. This one's building a snowman. Everyone's ready for the winter. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll show you guys up close. But I have some little men here. They have their hats on to protect themselves from the little sprinkle, the little dusting of some snow. I told you guys it was gated, so we have our trees that are native to this soil. And we put up some lights on our posts, you know, in between the gates. So yeah, we have a little small side door here. If you have any guests and you don't want them to come through the front. And then we have a few
where's the front door?
Windows on the other side. This is the front door here. We have a wreath on our front door, and we have some really, really large snowflakes. So yeah.
Either comment below or I'm going to put a poll.
Put a poll, because I don't trust the comments.
So I'm going to put a poll. Let us know which house is the best.
And don't feel bad for saying that the churches look bad.
What is that supposed to mean?
Don't feel bad to say that the church look bad.
Anyway, just be fair, be square, and be honest.
I think she should get A for effort for her grass and her belt, but
we didn't ask you all that. They're the ones that's going to judge
They
it.
got either a cemetery or a ghost in the back. If y'all could only see somebody flying in the back.
That's y'all snow that flew there. And there's no ghost in the back.
Somebody flying in the back, y'all. I ain't going there. Probably one of the dead animals.
Oh, I could see the eyes.
I told you, somebody flying back there.
That's the guardian of the home. So yes, y'all, let us know what y'all think.
And if you enjoyed this one, y'all can check out 2016 or 18 on my channel, Ran 410. We're gonna make this a whole playlist. But all of the gingerbread houses will now live on Mama Bear's channel.
Yeah.
So if you came
from this year on.
Yeah.
I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching us sweat and make these houses.
Well, all the videos. This is the last Christmas video.
Oh yeah, this is the last Christmas video for this year. So I hope you guys enjoy watching us make these gingerbread houses.
Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite candy?
Oh yeah.
Clearly hers is M&M's. I love Skittles, but I did not use many Skittles on my build.
Yeah, I have M&M and I have, what is this one? No, not Starburst.
Oh,
Jolly Ranchers are my favorite.
My teeth ain't built like that. I love Skittles.
But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos. Bye.
Keep cooking, chefs. Bye.